Let's learn ABCD. A for apron. A for ant. B for butter. B for bread slice. C for cookies. C for camera. D for drum. D for dinosaur. E for eggs. E for eraser. F for french fries. F for flour. G for globe. G for gold. H for helmet. H for house. I for igloo. I for ink pot. J for jellyfish. J for jam. K for kitten. K for kangaroo. L for lamp. L for ladybug. M for muffin. M for mixer. N for newspaper. N for nest. O for octopus. O for oil. P for paper plane. P for pastry. Q for quilt. Q for quinoa. R for remote control. R for rope. S for slipper. S for socks. T for tent. T for toothpaste. U for ukulele. U for umbrella. V for volcano. V for virus. W for wing. W for wallet. X for xylophone. X for X-ray fish. Y for yogurt. Y for yarn. Z for zero. Z for zebra crossing. Subscribe for more videos.